Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to charge your iPhone 8 Plus using a wireless charger. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a wall socket or an extension, the plug, the cable, the wireless charger, and the iPhone itself, so you can now bring all the gadgets and instruments into the video. The wall socket itself, which is an extension connected to the wall. The plug, this can be an iPhone plug or an iPod plug. The wire, the wireless charging mat, and the iPhone itself, so you can now connect everything together. Take the wire, take the rubber band off, connect to the plug, and then connect the wire to the wireless charger the correct way. And now we can connect the plug to the socket, so there is now electricity and power on the Ray Power Fast Charge wireless charger. And then take your iPhone, place onto the wireless charger. As you can see, the charging has now started. Leave this for 1 hour for 100%. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.